There must be a dozen places like this around Canberra where the man in the street takes his life in his hands crossing the road. Get the Pedestrian will soon be listed as one of Australia's national sports, but if you think of it as a game of chance, the odds are rather short for the pedestrian. And while our planning authorities retain the concept of pedestrians and motorists sharing the road, the problem will exist. One partial solution is pedestrian lights, but they cost money, and nobody expects them to suddenly spring up all over Canberra. It's all a matter of priorities. But there has been some puzzlement over the expenditure of $7,000 to erect this particular set of pedestrian lights here on Commonwealth Avenue, well away from the business centre of the city. There's no shortage of traffic on this road, some 40,000 vehicles a day, which is about 1/3 of the Sydney Harbour Bridge traffic. But the jackpot question has been, who wants to cross the road just at this point? The answer came with the opening of the current session of Federal Parliament. While the House is sitting, the Hotel Canberra on the western side of Commonwealth Avenue is something of a home away from home for many members of Federal Parliament. And for them it's only a matter of less than 5 minutes walk from the hotel across Commonwealth Avenue and just along to Parliament House on the eastern side of the road. So for the honourable gentleman at least, these lights are proving very handy. From the taxpayer's point of view, this $7,000 set of pedestrian lights is like a sort of insurance policy, because the fatal injury of a pedestrian at this crossing would almost certainly involve the cost of a state funeral and a by-election.
Do not step into the road without first looking. Do not loiter in the roadway or walk along cycle tracks. A marching body on the road should keep on the left-hand side. Stop at the curb, look right, look left and right again. Do not cross until the road is clear. Then cross at right angles, keeping a careful lookout all the time.